Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this video, we're going to talk about two of my favorite vendors that you can use to build your business credit. So by the end of this video, you're going to know who these vendors are and the exact steps to take to move forward and get approved to start building your initial business credit. So when it comes to vendors are credit issuers who would typically give you credit in the beginning stages of building business credit when others won't. So when you build business credit, you can't walk into your bank or Staples or Home Depot or retail stores like that and get your initial credit. Just like with consumer credit, when you started with these small limit secured credit cards, in the business world, you're starting primarily with some secure credit or vendor credit to build your initial business credit profile and score. Now, once you've built about 5 of these accounts on your business credit reports, then you're able to start moving in and getting all kinds of other credit, like places like Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and many, many, many more. But a lot of people don't know the vendors to actually work with to build initial business credit. So let's talk about two of my favorites. One of my favorites, I won't really even consider him a vendor, is Wells Fargo. Now, Wells Fargo has one of the best secured credit cards you're going to find when it comes to building business credit. Yes, it is secure credit, and you're not going to find a lot of these secure credit sources in the commercial world. But of the few that are there, Wells Fargo for sure is the best. One of the reasons they're the best is it doesn't take a lot to get approved. They're going to pull your personal credit. Your credit scores need to be 620 or higher, and you shouldn't really have any recent derogatory items to get approved. But if you meet that criteria, you're able to get approved, and how much you get approved for is how much you're willing to put on the card as security, right? You can get a $500 limit, $1,000 limit, $5,000 limit if you choose to. And you're also building a history with Wells Fargo. So it makes it easier to tap into their other commercial credit cards as you've established that history. Now, another huge benefit of using Wells Fargo is that they report to all 3 of the main credit reporting agencies. You're actually going to get an account on your Dun & Bradstreet, your Experian, and your Equifax business credit reports. They're the only secured card we've ever found that does that, and one of the only vendors or initially starter accounts you're going to find that reports to all 3. This makes it easier and faster for you to build business credit because one account gives you trade lines with 3 business credit reporting agencies. So make sure you check out Wells Fargo. Great secure credit card option to establish initial business credit. Now, another vendor that you really should look into and check out is called Strategic Network Solutions. Now, Strategic Network Solutions is a great source that actually will give you all kinds of computer and networking services that you may need. So it's stuff that we all need, and they report to the Credit to Experian and Creditsafe. So they actually will help you establish credit with Creditsafe, which is one of the biggest up-and-coming credit reporting agencies here in the United States. If you haven't started building credit with Creditsafe, you absolutely should, because more lenders and credit issuers are starting to use them. As a matter of fact, if you go to creditsuite.com/monitoring, you're actually able to access our new advanced credit monitoring product, which allows you to take existing accounts you already have, like utilities, like water, electric, power, even your cell phone, and add them to your commercial credit reports with both Experian and Creditsafe. So it helps you further establish your credit with both of those reporting agencies. So Strategic Network Solutions sells a lot of stuff that you need, and you're able to build credit with 2 reporting agencies, while Wells Fargo, you're able to build credit with all 3. That's why these are 2 of my favorite accounts that you can use to initially establish business credit. So for more tips and tactics on building your business credit, visit us online at creditsuite.com. While you're there, you can download our great free guide that maps out the exact steps to build business credit and gives you access to even more vendors that we didn't talk about here. And while you're on our page, make sure you check out the top right of our channel, or our page where all of our social media channels are. There you can find daily tips on Twitter and Instagram from us. You'll find hundreds of videos on YouTube. You can listen to us on the go with our podcast, the Business Credit Financing Show. You can even see us live on Facebook and YouTube, and even interact with us weekly on Facebook Live, asking questions in real time and having those questions answered. So it all happens on our website. So make sure you visit creditsuite.com and stay tuned to our YouTube channel as well, so you can keep an eye out for videos on like this that give you all kinds of tips and tactics to help you get financing and credit to grow your business. So make sure you check us out at creditsuite.com.